It seems that in view of the request made in the above letter, election schedule was fixed by the ECP on 27 November 2013 for Sindh province, which was subsequently changed to 7th December 2013 in pursuance of the request so made by the provincial government through CMA filed before this court through Advocate General, which was sent to the ECP for appropriate orders. Contents of the said order reads as under. This application has been filed on behalf of the Government of Sindh through the Learned Advocate General Sindh under Order 33 Rule 6 of the Supreme Court Rules 1980, seeking change of date from 27th November 2013 to 7th December 2013 for holding local bodies election. First up, the Learned Advocate General Sindh emphasized inter alia that one of the reasons for seeking extension is that the process for holding local government elections has commenced with effect from 9 November 2013 and the holidays of Ashura Muharramul Haram fall on 14 November 2013 to 15 November 2013. Therefore, it was constrained to postpone the elections. First up, similarly, representatives of the Ahle-Tashi community also met the Chief Minister Sindh and expressed serious constraints and requested the government to move application for adjustment of date of local government elections in Sindh. First up, he also added that a large number of other representative groups from different communities have also met the Chief Minister with the same request. First up, he further added that the government of Sindh is fully committed to honor the orders passed by the court to observe the constitutional obligations. First up, we have pointed out to the Learned Advocate General that the dates for local bodies elections are to be fixed by the Commission in pursuance of the request so made by the provincial governments. First up, we are of the considered opinion that the provincial government had a constitutional obligation to hold local bodies election for the purpose of allowing the citizens of the country to show their participation in the political, administrative and financial responsibilities and authority through their representatives.